All right, let's get straight to it. You've got Acorn, right? That awesome little app saving you money without you even really noticing. But here's the burning question. Can you share the love? Can you add someone to your Acorn account? Like your partner, roommate, or maybe even your overly enthusiastic money-saving buddy. I know. Sharing is caring, right? But when it comes to finances, things can get a little tricky. So, let's dive in and find out if Acorn is the kind of generous friend that lets you bring along a plus one. First off, let's talk about why you'd even want to share your Acorn account. Maybe you and your partner are on a joint saving mission. Or perhaps you and your roommates want to pool your spare change for that epic vacation. Whatever the reason, joint savings goals can be a powerful motivator. But before you start adding names to your Acorn account, let's consider the potential pitfalls. Money can be a sensitive topic, even between the closest of friends. And while sharing financial goals can be inspiring, it can also lead to disagreements. So, it's important to have a clear understanding of your expectations before you hit that Add User button. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. Can you actually add someone to your Acorn account? Well, the short answer is, it depends. Acorn's policies can change, and features can be added or removed. So, while I can give you some general information, it's always a good idea to check Acorn's official website or app for the most up-to-date details. That said, as of this recording, Acorn doesn't seem to offer a feature that allows you to add multiple users to a single account. It's designed as a personal savings tool, not a joint account. But don't lose hope just yet. There might be some workarounds. One option is to create separate Acorn accounts for each person involved. This way, everyone can save independently, but you can still coordinate your saving goals. You can even create a shared goal tracker or use a budgeting app to stay on top of your combined savings progress. Another possibility is to use a joint savings account at a traditional bank. You can then set up automatic transfers from your Acorn accounts to this joint account. This way, you can pool your savings while still maintaining individual control over your Acorn investments. But remember, sharing financial responsibilities requires open communication and trust. Make sure you and your partner or roommates are on the same page about your financial goals and expectations. Set clear guidelines about how the money will be used and how decisions will be made. And if things don't work out as planned, don't be afraid to reassess the situation. Sometimes, going solo on your savings journey might be the best option. So, can you add someone to your Acorn account? Not directly, at least not right now. But that doesn't mean you can't find creative ways to share your savings goals with others. Just remember to communicate openly, set clear expectations, and be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.